Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, luckily everything's clear right now, precipitation wise, but we still have that cloud cover over us. We're going ahead and zoom out and look at pretty much most of the United States, if not all of it. As you can see, we still do have a severe storm and even a couple of tornado warnings or two going through Kentucky right now. And then after, literally after we have all of this severe weather going from Kentucky down to Louisiana, Arkansas, we have this heavy kind of like shield of rain going through Philadelphia, Bridgeport, Washington, D.C., Maryland, almost all of Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and then the backside here, inside the Midwest. We do have some snow, some rain, and some ice up here, and then we even have some snow on top of it inside the UP of Michigan and Wisconsin and Minnesota. So going on ahead and switching over to our cloud cover. Cloud cover for right now is obviously heavy clouds out there right now. We do have some clearing up there, kind of near the upstate. But as of right now, it just seems that almost everyone has clouds over them right now. So it's going to be a pretty cloudy day today. So we're going to have to watch out for that as these clouds move through. Here's our current temperatures right now: 64 in Greenville, 64 in Orangeburg, 64 in Charleston, 64 in Myrtle Beach, 64 in Rock Hill, 64 in Augusta, and 62 in Savannah. So it's kind of like it was last night. I mean, you're either 64, you're 62, or you're 66, honestly. Maximum temperatures for today, though, you get up to 85 in Columbia, Sumter, Florence, 84 Augusta and Savannah, 82 Anderson, Greenville, Spartanburg, and then 76 in Charleston, 75 inside of Myrtle Beach. Here's our 24-hour max wind gusts. We're going to have gusts today of up to 30 to 32 miles an hour up there for Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, 28 for Columbia, 29 for Sumter, 30 for Florence, 29 for Myrtle Beach, 28 for Charleston, 25 for Savannah, and 29 for Augusta. So it's going to be a pretty breezy day today. Here we have our 24-hour precipitation totals. Precipitation totals to get up to all the way up to around just past a half an inch. I'm going from Greenville, Spartanburg, all the way down to Anderson. So you get see already a good 0.6 inches of rain already fall. You see a good 0.2 inches of rainfall from Augusta to Columbia, and then a good tenth of an inch going into Sumter. And then may get about a good trace going from Charleston to Savannah to Myrtle Beach. Georgetown can see around a tenth of an inch. But as of now, we're going to have to wait till tonight's update to get the full readings for places like Charleston, Savannah, and Myrtle Beach. And here's our day one SPC outlook. As you can see, that slight risk of severe weather is still there. The slight risk is for, obviously, for the upstate, Anderson, Greenville, Spartanburg. Rock Hill actually did get taken out of the slight risk. So slight risk kind of got slipped up a little bit. That does still come with a 5% chance of tornadoes if you're inside the brown region there. As you can see, we have a 5% risk of a tornado. Hail, you have a 15% chance of hail if you're inside that yellow risk. And then wind, you are inside of a 15% chance of damaging wind if you are inside that yellow risk. And if we go back and you look at the green, if you're inside the green, that includes places like Columbia, Rock Hill, Augusta, maybe even trying to go down into Sumter, you have a 2% risk of seeing a tornado. You have a 5% chance of seeing damaging hail, and then you have a 5% chance of seeing damaging winds as well. So that is it for severe weather wise. We do also have an excessive rainfall forecast as well. As you can see, the border right here in between Georgia, North Carolina, right here is under a marginal risk of excessive rainfall. That does come with a 5% chance of seeing some minor flash flooding. So watch out if you are out there and you're in a low flying area. But that's going to be about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this forecast update. And I will be back tonight with another forecast update. I do not think that I will be live at 9 like I usually am. I think I'll probably be back, I don't know, close to around like the 10 o'clock range, somewhere around there. So I don't think I'll be here to record at 9. So check in, just periodically in between like 9:30, 10 o'clock if you are waiting for the live tonight. But that's going to be about it. So I will be back tonight for another forecast update.